In just 2 minutes, let's explore DJI Terra's LiDAR GCP processing features to boost your post-processing efficiency. In LiDAR Point Cloud reconstruction projects, GCP horizontal positions are used to correct elevation via local adjustment. Checkpoints verify elevation accuracy within a 30 centimeter horizontal radius and a vertical range of plus or minus 60 centimeters from the point. Create a LiDAR Point Cloud project and add your raw data files. Click Control and Checkpoints. Similar to importing GCPs in aerotriangulation, select your control or checkpoint file, set the correct coordinate system. Adjust the data name X, E, Y, N, and ZU, and click Import. Here is an example of the GCP file format. Once imported, the points can be overlaid onto the point cloud, displaying as distinct icons. After the reconstruction is complete, you can view GCP information in the quality report. Give it a try on your next project.